My Jamaicanomics Global Collective. Let me say something to you. I did a live yesterday, the 11th of April, and there were quite a few concerns in the live. And guess what? I completely agree with them. And it is one of the main reasons why I decided to start Jamaicanomics Hub. You're telling me in the chat that conditions are bad in Jamaica and by default the global Caribbean. But guess what happened? You're still surviving in the Western society that's draining you every single day. Now, let's be honest. High rent, high food costs, high stress. Am I lying? And then you're calling that safe? You're actually getting up to gun violence with school kids, shootings in schools being unalived. Crime is everywhere. Listen, every country has problems, and it's not to minimize the problems in Jamaica and the global Caribbean, but only one of them might give you ownership. Who is going to give you true ownership? Who is going to give you community? Who is going to give you organic food? Who is going to give you peace and legacy? The issue is not conditions, my collective. The issue is preparation. Here is my call to action for you. I'm hosting a webinar on the 18th of April. Get in now before the seats are filled. AI can help you take away so many regrets if you decide, only if you decide to begin and start now and work on it. Here's my call to action for you. Go get the webinar or get the Rebuilder's Guide and join the Jamaicanomics Rebellionaires. You'll be glad you did. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.